Hello kids, hi, how is it going? I hope you're doing good so far. And in this video, we're going to learn how to pronounce this word. So our class is going to be about pronunciation lab. So you need to pronounce. Okay, so it says listen and repeat. So you need to repeat them, okay? And let's see, the first word, it is bedroom. The second one, word number two, choose. Choose only one. Remember, if it's the whole, call T's. Choose only one. Tell, to tell something. I'm telling you to come over. I'm telling you to watch this video. Okay, so dogs. So what is a dog? So the dogs plays in the river with water. Story. You have a story and choose. So let's read the example. Bedroom. I am going to wait for you in the bedroom. Choose. I have to put my teeth under the pillow. Under the pillow. Tell. Can you tell me a story? Come on. Can you tell me a story? Dogs. The story is about dogs. The story is about dogs. The story. What story do you want? What story do you want? It's a question. Choose. Can you choose another story? Okay, so you need to repeat this word. Bedroom, choose, tell, dogs, story, and choose. Okay, so what do you need to do on this page? On page 231, 231, 231. Draw. So you need to draw the following words from the list. So which one? You need to draw a bedroom in this little square and a story. You need to draw a dogs and choose. Okay, so let's see this one. I'm gonna give you a short example. So bedroom, so this one, it is the bedroom, okay, bedroom. And the story, the lion and the mouse. So dogs and a tooth. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you need to draw those one in this part, bedroom, story, dogs, and tooth. Okay, and also we need to go on page, okay, 236, page 236. So this one, 236. Okay, so what we need to do, it says pronunciation lab. Find and circle the words from the word bank. So this one we call word bank. So what do you need to do? You need to find out bedroom, for example, and then find out in here and circle it, okay? For example, bedroom. So well, let's see. Bed. So you see right here, bedroom. Bedroom. So you need to circle it, and you need to cross in here. Tell. You need to find out. Okay, and dogs. You need to find out and circle it. Okay, and please, you can sing this beautiful poem, or you can tell this little poem about, tell your mom, your parents, your sister, and read it, please. And also, we're going to learn about an article a and a. Okay, so use an before an vowel. What is the vowel? A, E, I, O, U. That is the vowel. If the word starts with the vowel, we use an. Remember, this is singular. I want an apple. So you see right here, it starts with the letter A. So we use an. And I like the story about an elephant. So you see right here, elephant start with vowel, so we use an. Okay, use a, a. Remember, the pronunciation is a. Use a before a consonant. So we call consonant in the alphabet. We call consonant all these letters, but not the vowel. Okay, consonant. So take a look this one. B, C, D, F, G, A, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So those words we call consonants, okay? And this one, it is the vowel A, E, I, O, U. So let's see an example with this one. I want a banana. Want a banana. One banana. I like the story about duck. So let's see. So this one right here, let's watch a short one. I'm gonna give you some more example before we watch the video. So you see right here, see, take a look this one. Articles, see the book. Book start with consonant, so it is a book. Orange start with vowel, so it is an orange. A girl, girl start with consonant, so it is a girl. Okay, and in this one, what think about this one? Book, a book. And an ant, okay, because it is vowels. Remember, if it's vowel, start with an. Cat, what do you think? It is consonant, so a cat. An apple, so we use an. Bowl, what do you think? It is consonant, a bowl. Girl, a girl. Okay. Elephant, start with vowel, an elephant. Okay. Eagle, start with I, with vowel. What do you think? An eagle. Okay. I, start with vowel, and. Okay, good. Kite, do you think? Consonant, a, kite. Okay. Egg, start with vowel, and egg. Octopus, start with vowel, and an octopus. Okay, so don't forget to use this one. This is an egg. So this is an egg. This is a book. This is an ant. This is a cat. This is an apple. This is a bowl. This is a girl. This is an elephant. This is an eagle. This is an eye. This is a kite. This is an egg. This is an octopus. So this is. Okay, so let's watch some more example right here. So what do you think? Do this alone. Book. A book. Yes. Orange. Orange. And tiger. Consonant. A tiger. Goat. A goat. Okay. Egg. Vowel. An egg. Umbrella, an umbrella. Okay, so let's see. So what do you need to do on this part? Okay, so it says, so what do you need to do? Look at the picture and take turn asking each other about what do you see in the picture. So what do you think? Okay, in your notebook, you're going to write, what do you see? I see an airplane. I see a duck. I see an airplane. I see an egg. I see a kite. So you need to write it down like this. Okay? I see an. Okay. I see a park. I see an eagle. I see a. In your notebook, you need to write it down. Notebook. Okay? And you need to write it down. I see a. So you need to write at least 3. For example, you need to write it down. I see a park. So you need to write it down in your English notebook. For example, like this. What do you see? I see a park. So I see a park. So what do you see? I see a park. What do you see more? I see an orange. So you need to write it down. I see an orange. An orange. So you see it right here. So take a look. Orange. See? In a. Because it is a consonant. Okay, so you need to write it down in your English notebook. Okay? And also, you need to go on page 244. Page 244. And what we need to do on page 244, it says a and and plus a vowel a, e, I, o, u. So you see right here, arm and arm. Eraser, eraser and eraser. Start with a vowel. An eagle, start with vowel and eagle. Orange and orange. Umbrella and umbrella. Consonants, right here, consonant, A plus consonants. A banana, a house, a mouse, a nose, a tooth. Right? Okay, so what you need to do is in here. It says write a or an. What do you think? What do you think? It start with vowel? Think it's a or an? Yeah, an elephant. Cake start with consonant? A cake. Good. Ice cream. Ice start with vowel. So what do you think? An ice cream. Good. Sandwich. Consonant. So you need to find out. Do the rest of this. Okay. And it says look around your classroom. Take a look this one. Please listen. Look around your classroom. Write 4 things you see. Use a or an before the word. So what do you see? Remember, I see a poster. I see a poster. I see a whiteboard. I see an apple. I see a teacher, for example. I see a teacher. So you need to choose and write it down. What do you see? Okay? Okay. For example, I'm going to do one for you. I see. Okay, I'm going to write it down another one. Classroom. I see a teacher. So what is it? Why? Because it starts with consonant teacher, so I use a. Okay. Consonants. Okay. And so that's all you need to do in this part. Okay. So let's watch a short video about.
You just said and selfie. You need to watch this movie. Let's go. Introducing Article Brothers. Meet the 3 Article Brothers. And the. All 3 brothers like to point out nouns. The twin articles a and n like to point out singular nouns. The elder brother, the, likes to point out both singular and plural nouns. A and N are usually seen with one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Though they are twins, both have different hobbies. The article A is seen with nouns that begin with consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo. The article N likes to listen to nouns beginning with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an octopus, an ink bottle, an elephant. Come, let's look at a few sentences where these 3 article brothers appear together. That is a store. There is an umbrella on the store. Thus, we can say that articles A and N are used to introduce a singular noun. Article the is used when we talk about the introduced noun the second time. In this case, it is the stall.
Okay, kids, so that's all you need to do on this page. And thank you very much for watching this video. And I hope to see you soon on the next video. Thanks and bye-bye.